Good guide, good guide, good guide, good guide. Go Taj, come Taj, go Taj, come Taj, go Taj, come Taj. Fatehpur, go Taj, come Taj. Fatehpur. Go Taj, come Taj, go Taj, come Taj. Big Taj Mahal, small Taj Mahal. Big Taj Mahal, small Taj Mahal. Big Taj Mahal, small Taj Mahal. Fatehpur. Sikandra, Sikandra. Good guide, good guide, good guide. Big Taj Mahal, small Taj Mahal. Big Taj Mahal, small Taj Mahal. Big Taj Mahal, good guide, good guide. आज इसको मैं लेके जाऊँगा. Big Taj Mahal, small Taj Mahal. Big Taj Mahal. Hello, 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 hello. Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen. German?
Do you speak German?
Guten Morgen. My German over. I speak English. You see Taj Mahal?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I show you Taj Mahal. I show you Taj Mahal, Fatehpur Sikri, Sikandra, Itmad Abdallah, Sikandra, monkeys also.
Red Fort?
Red Fort? Yes. Red Fort, Taj Mahal view, beautiful. I show you all. 2 days, I show you all. No problem. Come, come.
Wait.
The price?
What is the price?
Price? My price. Your smile, my price.
We have a hotel
We
already.
have a hotel.
I take you.
Yes.
Which hotel?
Joey's hostel.
Tajganj. Tajganj. I know Ravi Tajganj. Yes, Tajganj. I know. I take you.
Okay.
Arey, come. No problem.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Come. No problem. Come. 1 लाख मियाँ टम्पू निकालो. Come. डॉलर मिलेंगे आज. My name Dilshad. My friend. नाम बताओ अपना. 1 लाख अहमद. Tuk guy. Very old. As old as Taj Mahal. Shahjahan's best friend. I show you everything. Taj Mahal, Fatehpur Sikri, Red Fort, Sikandra, Itmad Abdallah. Everything I show you in 2 days. Very beautiful. And I tell you lot of story. Love story. Around Taj Mahal, around Agra, lot of love stories.
Yeah.
I'll tell you every love story. You, boyfriend, girlfriend?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
She will be my wife. Next year we're gonna marry.
Nice. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Agra, city of love. Yeah.
Okay.
So you take individual tour or group tour?
Individual. We like more individual too.
Individual tour? Good. Yeah, good reputation. Nice. 1-to-1.
Okay. Nice. We look forward.
आ गए. Come. Your hotel come. I help you. So you can go rest and relax, and then we meet after half an hour. Half an hour, fine. Okay.
See you in half an hour.
Okay. अरे 1 लाख मियाँ आज तो डॉलर कमाएंगे. Taj Mahal was built in 1658 by Emperor Shah Jahan in the loving memories of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. You know, Taj Mahal was built by 20,000 laborers, and it took 20 years to make this beautiful and magnificent piece, Taj Mahal. Just like wedding ring, which bind two people together. Same to same. Shah Jahan wanted to express his love, express what he felt, and bind himself to his love, Mumtaz Mahal. Truly, Taj Mahal was and will always be the symbol of true love. Emperor Shah Jahan had called for precious stones, rarest of the rarest gems, from all over the world to put in Taj Mahal for his beautiful wife. Precious. Just like you, madam.
How do you know so much about the Queen?
Because of my name originated from Persia. And you know, where's Queen from? Queen is also from Persia. You know the meaning of my name, Dilshad, is a heart full of love and happiness. And I do the same. I just want to spread love and happiness in the world. Just like my Gul told me. My Gul, my Queen. Come, let's go. Let's go to next location. Come. You know, madam, the best time to see Taj Mahal, you know when? It's in the full moon night. Taj Mahal shine bright in full moon night. You go?
Yes.
Can we see it in the full moon night?
No, das ist viel zu teuer.
Nein.
Keine Diskussion.
Come. I take you to next location. Come. So if you see ahead, Anchu, sorry, Anchu.
You mean Entschuldigung?
Anchuligul, madam. Anchuligul. Sorry, madam.
Oh, for me?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. You know how to treat a wife. Not like others.
I was thinking, madam, now let's go to the next location. It is a very beautiful place, Mehtab Bagh. Let's go to Mehtab Bagh. Yes, after you. चल भाई, after you. अरे ये मारेगा. Coming, madam. Maya. This is Mehtab Bagh, the moonlit garden. You know, Mehtab Bagh was actually built in the 1500s by Emperor Babur, the first Mughal emperor. He had actually planned this garden with Persian architecture, with dozens of fountains, and it used to look beautiful to watch Yamuna in moonlit night. This Mehtab Bagh became famous when Emperor Shah Jahan said, Mehtab Bagh, the moonlit garden, is actually the best place to view Taj Mahal. It is beautiful. Alarm ringing. Alarm ringing, madam. Alarm ringing means today tour over. Home calling. Now you sit, enjoy the view of beautiful Taj Mahal. Spread love, spread happiness, just like I do, always. Ek lakh is waiting, the tuk-tuk guy. For you, he'll drop you to the hotel, I go. Home duty. Otherwise, Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम बेगम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। नाराज़ हो क्या? अरे थोड़ा लेट हो गया आज। वो ग्रुप टूर नहीं था ना आज, इंडिविजुअल टूर था। इंडिविजुअल टूर में वो समझती हो ना, वो कपल टूर था, प्राइवेट। बहुत बढ़िया कपल था, जर्मन कपल। हम उनको वो आगरा कैंट से उठाया, फिर हम वहाँ ताजगंज में उनका होटल था, वहाँ लेकर गए, फिर वहाँ से ताजमहल दिखाया, फिर तुम्हारी फेवरेट जगह लेकर गए थे आज हम। हाँ, वहीं जहाँ हमने तुम्हें पहली बार प्रपोज किया था और तुम शर्मा गई थी, याद है ना? अरे मेहताब बाग लेकर गए थे आज हम। हाँ, पर वहीं छोड़ के आए। हमने कहा तुम लोग रुको, हम जा रहे हैं, हमारी बेगम से मिलने का टाइम हो गया, खत्म होगी बात। बस वहीं बैठे हैं दोनों, वैसे ही बस बैठ के ताजमहल का दीदार कर रहे हैं। ठीक वैसे ही जैसे तुम और हम साथ में बैठ के ताजमहल को देखा करते थे। वही सनसेट के टाइम जब सूरज की वो लाल किरण पड़ती थी ना ताजमहल पे, कसम खुदा कि आज भी उतना ही खूबसूरत लग रहा है जिस तरह तुम थी। बस तुम भी वैसे ही देखा करती थी ना, तो बस। लेकिन एक बात बताएं तुम्हें, एक सरप्राइज है तुम्हारे लिए। सरप्राइज है बढ़िया। पैसे भर दिए हमने। कहा था ना तुम्हारा पीछा ना छोड़ेंगे हम। बाजू वाली जगह खरीद ली हमने। हाँ, आज ही पूरा ऑफिस में फॉर्मेलिटी करके आए हैं। हार गई तुम आज, यहीं बनेगा हमारा ताज। इंतजार करोगी ना बेगम? ग्रहण की रात ख्वाब में देखा मैंने टूटा हुआ ताज। मजार से उठकर शाहजहां से कह रही थी मुमताज, जी चाहता है फिर से जी उठूं मैं आज, और फिर से बना लो तुम मुझे बेगम अपनी आज। दम तोड़ दूं मैं फिर से तेरे पहलू में सरताज, और तुम दोबारा बना देना कोई ताज से खूबसूरत ताज, कोई ताज से खूबसूरत ताज।